Okay, so I found out there's a safety on here, and this is the CPU connection. The wires need, all the grounds need to be grounded out to each other. It's a safety that they put on these things, because the last power supply I modified, I didn't have to do all this, but hey, at least I know for next time. So this should work. So I'm gonna get to it, and this is what I have to do. I have to ground all these out. But what's nice is I don't need I do need all these. This is what sucks. I'm going to need to use this, but that's okay. So the switch, this is basically the switch. Turn it on and off. Tell it to turn on and off. So I didn't blow this up. So yeah, it's amazing how they change all this stuff. And when I turned it on, this started sparking because there's no end on it. So I know these are getting power. And it didn't blow it up. So as long as that will be okay. So it'll work out. Alright, so this is the power supply. This is the fan that I modified just to do it. Now I gotta fix this, so I'll fix that, and then I'll get this set up. Alright, I got this all done. Fired it up once. This is an ESP power supply, which means the CPU connection to the motherboard, instead of having 4 connect, instead of 2 sets of 2, it's got 3 sets of 2. So instead of a 4-pin connection, it's a 6. And apparently you have to have those wires, the ground wires, hooked up in order for it to power on. I got it all fixed, so I'll just show you guys how it powers on. Oh, and I have a peripheral device, which means anything you can remove hooked up. So as soon as I turn this on, you'll see what I mean. It ejects. And what this fan, as I stated in my other video, this fan, if this power supply was in a computer case, is designed to draw heat out, believe it or not. But in this case, I have it facing up so it draws air in to keep it cool. Even though in my desktop over there it's sitting like this and it's drawing the heat out. So it could be used for both. And that's how you do it. And stop spinning. If I turn it up, there's a switch right here, off, on. This is what I tried to put on the other power supply that I accidentally overloaded, blew it up. So these are the ones you want to get if you're going to do something like this. It's a Thermatilt power supply. Not sure if I stated that in my other videos or not. And they're the company that makes fans and stuff like that. So anyway, That's how you do that.